आज आमचे वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट वन प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू मीटिंग आशिल्ली अंडर द चेअरमॅनशीप ऑफ युनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीज गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया श्री सोम प्रकाश जी आणि तांच्या बरोबर आमचे फायनान्स सेक्रेटरी प्रिन्सिपल सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर खंडवेलू नॉर्थ आणि साऊथ गोवाचे कलेक्टर्स तशेंच आमचो डिरेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज तशेंच आमचे डिरेक्टर टुरिजम हांगा बरोबर आशिल्ले आणि एक जो रिव्यू आतां जालो तातूंतल्यान युनिटी मॉल कन्सेप्ट जो आमच्या प्रायम मिनिस्टरच्या विजनान आशिल्लो and was also announced in the budget. ताजे बद्दल पूर्ण रिव्यू आमचे युनियन मिनिस्टरान घेतिल्लो आसा. I would request our union minister to kindly address the press. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Today's meeting has been called to discuss the One District One Product initiative. This initiative was conceptualized on the initiative of Prime Minister of India, which has on his vision, which has its vision is that every district has the potential as the country has the potential. Same the district has also potential. Under this scheme, more than 1,000 products has been identified in 761 districts. In Goa also, 2 districts of Goa have identified their products, which are North Goa cashew nuts, and secondary product is fenny. South Goa fenny is the first product, primary product, and cashew is the second product. This scheme, Government of India is giving attention, giving very importance to this scheme to give quality production, marketing of these products, and increase the quality, increase the production, and full attention so that even on gem, Government of India purchase agency gem, we are requesting to list all the products on that so that these government also purchases from that place. So second point is regarding Unity Mall. Unity Mall was announced by Finance Minister in the last meeting, budget speech of 23-24. Under this scheme, Government of India will give finance to every state 50-year interest-free loan, so that for Goa, Goa 100 crores have been allocated. So mall will have the places for all the states. All the states will, one district, one product will be displayed there, and this state products which have been identified, they will be displayed. This is a unique concept at the initiative of Prime Minister of India. All the states products, important products, which is displayed there, and a location of they have identified the place. I'm told. So when the month Goa will submit the DPR. After considering all that, fund will be released. Our team in West India is working very hard on this. We are always available for any advice, any consultation. So I have requested the Goa government, Honorable Minister, to push the things so that these Unity Mall and One District One Product schemes, which are very connected schemes, they are properly implemented and people get benefit out of this scheme. Thank you.
Government of Goa and our Honorable CM, I would like to thank our Honorable Union Minister for his visit to Goa, especially guiding us, mentoring us with his team of Invest India, and telling us what best we need to do to carry the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister in getting the Unity Mall in Goa. The Unity Mall concept, as our Honorable Union Minister has said, is very important for every state, and we being a tourism state, it is very more important as we start showcasing Goa. When we talk about Goa beyond beaches and we move away, we need to also ensure that the tourists are able to explore much more. So as Honorable Minister has said, it is a very welcoming step, and I should thank him very much for his support always, as and when called for. एक फोन मारला जाल्यार is immediately he ensures that things are moving, and that helps us when we talk about a double engine sarkar of the state and the center working together. This mechanism helps us to ensure that the right things come into Goa, and Unity Mall is one of the dream projects for all of us to ensure that it comes at the earliest. As we have committed, we will strive. The team here from industries to tourism and the collectors will strive to ensure that the land and other things detailing and the DPR within 1 month is submitted to the center, to his ministry, for which, based on which further support will help us to actually get this particular mall in reality. This will definitely help tourism at a large scale in not only showcasing our products of Kaju and Feni, which are ODOP, one district, one product, but also allow the people coming here to see products of every state in one particular area. Thank you.
So any area has been marked?
We have identified an area. We will share details with you shortly.
So Goiche Kaju and Feni, sir.
Sir, 2 products, no, you said?
Industries department is right now identifying products per taluka. She will later brief you. But important is right now ODOP च्या अंडर एक नॉर्थाक एक सावथाक घेतला. The primary product and secondary product असता. नॉर्थाक primary product is Kaju, secondary product is Feni. And in सावथाक primary product is Feni and secondary product is Kaju.
How much did you say is the budget allocation for Goa for this?
100 crores.
Sir will help us.
Sir, you have to submit DPR within 1 month.
Yeah.
एक महीना.
सर ओडीओपी के अंदर जॉब क्रिएशन की कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहेंगी?
देखिए, ओडीओपी में जो मेन प्रोडक्ट्स है उसको आइडेंटिफाई किया गया है. डजेंट मीन दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स को नहीं ध्यान देना है. एक पार्टिकुलर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स द मेन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दैट डिस्ट्रिक्ट है. उसमें उसकी मार्केटिंग कैसे हो, उसकी प्रोडक्शन में कैसे बढ़े, उसकी क्वालिटी कैसे बढ़े, इस पर सरकार ध्यान देगी. तो इससे जो प्रोड्यूस करने वाले लोग उनको भी फ़ायदा होगा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी बढ़ेगी. तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट तो इसमें लेबर इंटेंसिव है, सारी लेबर इंटेंसिव सबसे ज़्यादा है. इसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिले, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसमें लगें, उसको प्रॉपर पैसे मिले. मुझे अभी बताया है सब्सिडी की स्कीम भी शुरू कर रहे हैं, सो दैट पीपल गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू दिस लेबर, जहाँ से बाहर ना जाए, यहाँ पे काम करे, इसलिए काम कर रहे हैं.